Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a special catch for you today. Yeah, there's a lot of Mustangs. Everybody loves a Mustang, but this one's special. This is a GT. It's the A code with the performance motor. If you haven't noticed, it's stunning black with red interior. It has power steering, power top, factory air conditioning, disc brakes, rally pack gauges. It's a clean car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see over 100 pictures, the pricing and all the specs on this car, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. But for right now, why don't you join me? I'll take you for a spin in this 1965 GT. This paint job, believe it or not, is over 20 years old on this car. It is like a mirror. The reflection I'm seeing in the side of this car is like a mirror. The paint is gorgeous. If I look for a flaw, I'm sure I'll find one. But it's held up that long, that means a lot. If this car was full of Bondo and rust, it would be bubbling and popping and that sort of thing. It was a one-owner car for 20-something years. It started off in Texas, made its way to North Carolina. A gentleman we just got it from, I've known him quite a while. He is fussy. He likes to get his cars dialed in. He would not bring me a car unless it was right. This car is right. Optional trunk rack, brand new white convertible top. It's a power top that's new. It's bright white. Interior lights come on. Rare bench seat with the fold down armrest. Has red seat belts front and back. This is all new. This is all redone. Steering wheel's restored. Nope, horn kind of works, but the rally pack works. The clock, the tachometer, door panels, window cranks. The pony floor mats. It has a factory-looking AM/FM radio, but it's actually a stereo. I think it has an auxiliary plug for it too. But it completely redone interior. I see it has an interior trunk release too. Also has remote mirror and the passenger mirror. This is so tidy and proper. All the nuts and bolts are nice. The hinges, the metal is perfectly clean. It's like a satin black. All the components, the wiring, the brackets, the pulleys, everything is orderly. It has the Ford hose coming off the air cleaner, all the right stickers, the little metal clips on the exhaust manifold bolts, auto light sticker on the alternator, auto light battery topper, the fan shroud, all looks proper. And again, factory air, power steering, manual disc brakes, but it does have a dual reservoir, make it a little safer. Sill plates are nice, the rubber is nice. You'll like this, I know I did. A fifth matching spare. When a guy buys a fifth matching wheel, that means he's not cheap. That means he didn't cut corners. This is a dual stripe Coker radial tire on a GT wheel, and it's brand new, never been used. All the metal in here is perfectly clean, has a nice rubber trunk mat. Under the car is super nice. You'll see the pictures on our website. The front end was gone through. It's all clean metal, clean frame rails, torque boxes. This is a really nice car. A GT, there's a list of things you can check. The fog lamps, you turn them on, the tail lights come on with the fog lamp switch. There's some little tabs that hold the dual exhaust in the back. The steering box is a quick ratio steering box. This one checks all the boxes to make it a real GT. Runs really well. There we go, now the horn's working. The steering wheel was restored. It's got the flashers, the emergency flasher switch, that's an option. It has owner's manual. And yes, here's the auxiliary plug for the stereo. So awesome colors. I mean, the wheels, the striping, everything about it is awesome. The metal is clean and straight. 20-year-old paint job. It has stood the test of time. Right here, there's an area where there's a little bit of crackling in the paint. It's still smooth and slick and glossy. Nice car, sharp looking car. So go to volocars.com. The door shuts like a new car. You can check this one out. There's plenty of ways on there to contact us. We have a whole bunch of people here that are more than happy to help answer questions. We have shipping, we have financing. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's how you see these videos as we put them out. You'll be the first to see them. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I got a lot more videos coming your way.